Hello everyone. Let me introduce this CNC engraving machine to you. It can process various wood boards, advertising materials, soft batter materials, solid wood boards, and etc. Can perform engraving, milling, cutting, and processing on various materials. This is a 5,000 to 1515 engraving machine. Processing range area 1000 to 1500 to 5000 mm, and spindle motor, and this one, this is spindle motor. It is 5.5 kilowatt water cooled spindle, and cable, T-salt, attached with fixed by pneumatic pressure roller. Three axis, three axis, three axis 25 guide rail. This one axis guide rail precision rack drive system. This one DSP A11 handle system. Its main hand system. Stripper motor. This one is stripper motor. Lead shine 816 driver. 816 driver. This is lead shine motor. This is the machine is equipped with an automatic oil and lubrication system. This is a oil lubrication system and automatic. This is a machine with a very high cost performance, and it is a very fast and high process various. Everyone, welcome to all clients visit the company. Welcome all customer to visit the factory for more. Goodbye. Hello everyone.